The neighborhood's gone to shit, man.
Alright. We loot all this shit. Where we head next? Oh,
Yeah.
dude, let's go to the little freaking, like, where the tarps and shit are.
Yeah, let's do that. I like that.
And there's supposed to be some good loot in there.
There's good shit if there's no one. If no one hit it, there's good shit there. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always one of those places where, like,
No.
if it gets forgotten, it is that's not. Yeah, I mean that's the downside to it. I've seen a crate pop on this location a couple times. You're protected by trees for the most part, which is nice. But yes, if it's been hit.
Another trauma kit here. I really don't need two.
Oh, I could use one.
There's some meds there too. As well.
Sweet. I hadn't had any, so I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm looking out, man.
Yeah. Oh, rocket. I have. Where's that chopper at? Oh, I have rockets. Level 1 armor. Smash back there. No one ever hits these houses.
Oh shit, that's a 2-story. That's a big boy. If you want to hit Fuzzy downstairs, I'll go ahead and hit straight upstairs. Armor. I need that armor. Yeah, got it.
Backpack over here in this house with me.
The VKM 750?
Oh, that's
This is a 50 cal.
50 cal auto rifle. Big LMG.
Oh, yeah, 50 cal LMG, dude.
Yep.
Motherfucker.
It's a good gun. I like that gun. Packs a big old punch. Ooh, that was fucking right. Heard that shit. Yeah, I heard that.
It was not.
You
not me this time.
You gaseous motherfucker. I heard that. Don't play it off. I didn't heard that. It wasn't me. I didn't know what you're talking about. Whatever.
Claim that shit.
Yeah, claim that shit in your pants. Yes, claim that shit.
All I got is a 3x. Or no, I got a 2x. But I can give it to you. I don't.
On the bridge in front of us. On the bridge in front of us.
There you go. Here, grab that, Fuzzy.
Way ahead of us. Straight ahead though. Moving up the hill. 120, 126. I'm gonna let them go. I can't hit anything that far away right now. But they are way ahead of us. They're in the trees right now. But straight ahead, 120, 125, 124. Directly underneath the tree currently. Moving straight across. 2. And 1 moving up. So they're going to be in the gas station.
Let's get across the river at least.
Boat.
Oh, something's popping off.
Yep. You guys want to go? Let's go while they're distracted.
We can run across the bottom layer of the bridge here.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, heads up. We're getting shot at. Stay on that side Fuzzy's on. Keep the shit between us. Smash if you can cross over. Do it. But otherwise run the fuck on, dude.
Oh.
Keep going, man. Keep going. Just keep going, Smash. Get to the left side if you can. Alright, heal up, heal up. Good job. Good job. I'm moving straight with the pillar behind me. I'm moving to these houses. There's a quad. Just drove up. Oh, I shouldn't move. I shouldn't move. You guys are still there. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Oh, shit. We gotta get Fuzzy.
Where are you getting hit from, Fuzz? Can you... Shit. Nope. He's down. Behind us, Smash. In the gas station.
Alright, let's go. Go to the gas station. Nice. Ooh, quad.
Smash, they're moving up.
I'm in the gas station. I mean, in the garage.
They're on the roof of the building next door. And in front. They're moving straight across. They're moving to us now. They're moving to us now. Other side, other side, other side. To my left here.
He's dropped. Where at? Where at?
Straight across, straight across. Healing.
Damn it. Damn it. I'm down. Fuck. You gotta pick me
Yep,
up.
yep, yep, yep. Get right here, get right here. Stay, stay, stay. Don't move. You're gonna have to heal and move. They're
No,
coming
he's
up to us.
coming
They're
in.
coming up to us. Damn it, move, motherfucker. He's down.
I'm down all the way. I'm down all the way. Yes! Oh, dude, that was badass. Behind you. Oh, right at the front door, front door.
Eat my fucking dick, bitch.
Oh my god, boosted. Shit.
Dude, when I'm on, I'm on. But when I'm off, the rest of it sucks balls.
Yeah, that was badass, dude. Get your freaking heels going, man. I couldn't get up and get out of the way fast enough, and I was so low on health, I died instantly again. Dude, that axe is badass.
Really is, dude. Yep.
Yeah. I watched somebody's video on that, and it was just insane what it did to get the kill. Those when it like bounces off of something, skips off of something else, and then hits the guy.
Damn, I'm still in too. Anybody have Outlander?
I had a whole bunch of perks. I don't know what all I had, but I had a bunch in my bag. I'm gonna be, yeah, right there. That's my bag.
Oh, fuck.
Oh.